My name is Aarav Gupta. I want to tell you a story about Mambo the elephant. Once there was an elephant, a sweet elephant. He had long ears, two tusks and one long tongue. He had two hands, two legs and one tiny tail. He used to go to tailor shop every day and tailor used to give him a banana every day. One day, tailor thought to poke Mambo with a needle. Mambo was in pain and Mambo said in pain, "Ooh, ooh, ooh." Then Mambo was angry. Then he go to the pond and filled his tongue in the water and filled it. Then he came back to the tailor shop and sprinkled all the water. Then tailor cried. All the clothes became wet in tailor shop. Mambo was a happy Mambo. Taught him a lesson. He got his baby and became happy. Moral: we should never disturb anyone and we should help everyone. Thank you.